Hello and welcome to an epic design journey. Now, do you find it hard to harness your creativity? Do you wish you could come up with more compelling ideas? Do you want to be more confident in your design? Are you looking to improve your design process? Or are you simply looking to level up your design game and improve the quality of your work? In this masterclass, we're stepping into the art of poster design, drawing inspiration from the iconic presence of sneakers in pop culture and advertising. Use the dynamic and diverse world of sneaker culture to fuel our design process, leveraging Adobe creative software to craft posters that embody the spirit and style of contemporary urban culture. We'll start with a design brief, gather research and create mood boards, then learn how to choose the right fonts, what poster grids we can use, how to generate ideas with sketching, and then jump into InDesign and Illustrator, where we will bring our ideas to life to create multiple poster designs, and then we'll look at how we can present our design to clients and colleagues. So here I am in Adobe Bridge, and these are some posters I created earlier using the techniques I'll be demonstrating on this masterclass. For this poster design masterclass, we will be looking at a fictional design brief for a sneaker company looking to advertise their new product range. All of these posters have different styles with different layout approaches, so there is going to be something new to learn in each design we create. Some of these have been made using InDesign and some using Illustrator. Later in the class, when we get to crafting our designs in software, we will be learning how to set up poster grids, manage type, images, structure content, work with color, create variations and export ready for print.